Hello foodies, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the new vlog. So today's special content is about Kullad and earthen pots. So I have come to the restaurant called Matkaari, where they serve a lot of items in Kullad and Matkas. So that is something interesting, right? So let's go and check out and see how they serve and what are the dishes they serve in earthen pots and Kullad, and then check out the taste and see how it is. Okay, so let's go. This is the small cafe called Matkaari. Every Matka has a story, very true. You can also spend lot of time in painting the Kullads and keep it in the cafe or take it home. You can see lot of Kullad with creative paintings they have stored in the cafe. All parcels are provided in Kullad and Matka. You can order in Zomato or Swiggy. Here are the items I chose today for relishing. Amazing creative behind this cafe. Meet Rahul and Divyanshu, also Zeenath, who was not there when I came. So first item I tried is Kullad chai and biscuit. Very nostalgic feeling having chai and biscuit in Kullad. The tea was a ginger tea, very soothing, very relaxing and very nice. I really enjoyed the Kullad tea. So next dish on my list was hot chocolate with marshmallow. Look at those pink colorful flowery marshmallow. Wow, very nice. So this hot chocolate in Kullad was very creative. First time I'm having this hot chocolate in Kullad, and it's very innovative. The thought was good. The taste was yummy, perfect sweetness, perfect chocolatey and perfect taste. Yum yum yum. So this is the viral Kullad pizza I was eagerly waiting to have at this cafe. Let's check out the making. So Rahul was making this Kullad pizza. He added some bread pieces, lot of vegetables, onions and some secret pizza sauce. So they have chicken Kullad pizza and veg Kullad pizza. Some mayo added. Then lot of herbs and spices, lot of chili flakes, oregano and other herbs added here. That's it. Now mix. Now it's time for the filling into the Kullad. So first layer was filled with the mixture, and then lot of cheese added. Oh wow, nice. Then the next layer was the filling, and then lot of cheese, mozzarella cheese. And now it's time to go into the oven. Yay! So I had ordered veg Kullad pizza and chicken Kullad pizza. Look at that cheese pull. Wow, I'm feeling so happy. Let's taste and check out how it was. I can feel the tanginess of the pizza sauce, crunchy vegetables and gooey cheese. Perfect flavors. Next innovative dish was baked gulab jamun. Was so yummy, and the combination of cheese and gulab jamun was so good. So next I tried this chicken tikka wrap. So let's check out the making on the tortillas. Crunchy lettuce, slices of tomatoes, and lot of ring onions, more onions. Yummy. Then comes the chicken tikka, lot of chicken tikka. Yum, yum. And some french fries, actually lot of french fries. So this is what I love about this cafe, no compromise on the quality or the quantity. Wow, this chicken tikka wrap was so yummy, saucy with that crunchy vegetables, and I can feel the taste of more chicken tikka feeling. Wow, it was so yum. I really enjoyed it. So last item I tried was corn sandwich, that too in the earthen plate. Wow, very innovative. That's what I love about this cafe. The sandwich had lot of corn, cream, cheese filling with herbs. Yummy and tasty. They also have franchisee, and all the details are in the description below. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon, otherwise you will not get any notification to my new video. Until next interesting video, take care. Bye bye.